Hello everyone, my name is Adit Pathade. I am a third year student of Bharati Vidyapit College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies. Today I am going to talk about the country that is famous for the thundering waters of Niagara Falls to the rugged peaks of the Canadian Rockies. The country that has beauty in every part of it, that is the country of Canada. Canada is a country in North America. Its 10 provinces and 3 territories extend from the Atlantic to the Pacific and northward into the Arctic Ocean, covering 9.98 million square kilometers, making it the world's second largest country by total area. The country is bordered by Alaska in west and by 12 states of the continental United States in south. It also shares a maritime border with Greenland. Flag. This is the flag of Canada. It is also unofficially referred as the Canadian flag or maple leaf or unifolie, that is, the one leafed. It consists of a red field with a white square at its center in the ratio of 1:2:1, in the middle of which is featured a stylized red 11 pointed maple leaf charged in the center. Capital. Ottawa is the capital of Canada. It is also home to some of the best museums and galleries in the country. Currency. The official currency of Canada is the Canadian dollar. Its exchange rate is around 59.86 Indian rupee. The major language spoken in Canada are English, followed by French. Special facts. Canada is the world leader in uranium mining. Uranium is used in nuclear power plants for producing electricity. The largest uranium mine of the world is located at Cigar Lake. Canada is the third largest oil reserve holder in the world after Venezuela and Saudi Arabia. It is also the fourth largest producer of oil in the world. Churchill, Manitoba, the polar bear capital of the world. Surrounded by wilderness on all sides and taken over by polar bears 6 weeks a year, Churchill is the final frontier. This isolated town is home to one of the largest concentration of polar bears on the planet. Nowhere else is it so easy to find the world's largest land carnivore in its natural habitat. The three major cities of Canada. First is Toronto. It is Canada's financial center with over 6 million people. Second is Montreal. Canada's second largest city with over 4 million inhabitants is also the second largest city in the world that has a French speaking population after Paris in France. And the major city is Vancouver. Aside from spectacular natural beauty, this British Columbia coastal metropolis has a relaxed charm that makes it one of the most popular Canadian cities to visit. Tourist destinations. First is Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is Canada's most famous natural attraction, bringing in millions of visitors each year. These massive falls drop approximately over 57 meters. Second is Banff National Park and the Rocky Mountains. Banff National Park lies in the heart of majestic Rocky Mountains in the province of Alberta and showcases some of Canada's most beautiful scenery. Turquoise colored lakes, snow capped peaks, and glaciers are all easily accessible in this stunning park. Third is Toronto's CN Tower. On the shores of Lake Ontario, in Canada's biggest city, is the iconic CN Tower, one of Canada's most famous landmarks. The tower stands an impressive 553 meters high. At the top, you can find fine dining in the revolving 360 restaurant and enjoy a meal while looking out over the city and lake. Just 2 hours drive from Vancouver is a famous ski resort, Whistler Blackcomb. While Whistler has always been an important winter sports area, it has also developed into a popular summer destination with golf, mountain biking, and a lively town atmosphere no matter where you visit. The last one is the Northern Lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis. It's possible to see these lights almost anywhere in Canada during all 4 seasons. But the north is the best place to see them, where they are most active most of the time. Famous dishes of Canada: poutine, bannock, butter tarts, tortillere, Saskatoon berry pie. Thank you for watching.